Good morning. So my name is Eddie Bacon, and I will be your teacher for this summer term for IFE 008. Okay. So basically, this is just going to be an introduction video to share some information about the course and to get everyone prepared for classes, which will start next week. Okay. So let's get started here. All right. So I'm gonna start off with a short little introduction. So my name is Eddie Bacon. I'm from America, but I've lived for the past couple decades, I guess. I've been living in Asia. Okay. I've been working at Rangsit University for about 6 years. Then before that, I was a teacher in Japan, English teacher in Japan for 8 years. So I've been living, most of my teaching career has been in Asia. All right, so I want to talk a little bit about my educational background. So I graduated from the University of Oregon. Okay, and I graduated maybe 1999. So my major was Japanese, and my minor was business administration. Then for my master's degree, I received it here at Rangsit University. It was Master's of English in Bilingual Education. All right, and lastly, for my PhD, I'm actually currently I am a student at Thammasat University. I'm a PhD student in English language studies. So I'm about halfway through the program now. So I anticipate to be finishing with that in 2022. So I'm a student, but I'm also a teacher. Okay. All right. So next I want to talk about is about the course description. So the technical course description is practices in academic writing, researching for ideas, summarizing, paraphrasing, and writing an academic paper. But basically, what this course is about, it's basically about I'm going to transition you from writing paragraphs to writing basically academic essays. All right. And one thing I want to talk a little bit about this course. Okay. So IFE 008 English Academic Writing 2. So this course, it's very, very difficult to fail. Okay. So if you guys come to each lecture, either in person or online, you guys have good attendance. You do the homework. You do the quizzes. You complete the final exam. You will pass the course. But for those of you, if you don't attend the lectures, it will hurt you. Okay. So this class, it's pass fail. So you need an attendance rate of 80% or higher to pass. So again, you come to class, you do the work, you will succeed. Okay. All right. So now, next is okay. So next, I'm going to talk a little bit about what the course will cover. Okay, we're going to have first one is descriptive paragraphs, and again, we're going to start off with developing paragraphs, and then expand. By the end of the term, you will be able to write a academic essay. So the first topic is descriptive paragraph and essays. Next is opinion paragraphs and essays. Next is compare, contrast paragraphs and essays. And number 4, problem solution paragraphs and essays. In addition to that, I will also be covering how to take and pass. Well, not pass, but how to take and get a B2 or higher on the IELTS writing part. Okay, so pretty much. In order to graduate from from Rangsit University, you need a level of English at a B1. Okay, but it's different at the International College. You're going to need a level of B2 or higher. So right now you guys are in Plan B. So in order for you guys to basically graduate from Plan B and go into taking the general education courses, you need to get a B2 or higher on your overall English abilities. Okay, so what I'm going to teach you guys how to do is to get a B2 or higher on your writing skills. Okay, so I will introduce you to various strategies using using the IELTS as a sample on how to develop level B2 or higher academic essays. Okay, and so one thing I want to point out was that for this course there are two things you need to pass. Okay, so for the course itself, you need to get again, it's pass fail. So you guys need to get a 60% or higher to pass. So 60%, that's not very hard. But again, you have to come to the lectures, attend the lectures either in person or online, and then also the second part is you need to get you guys are gonna have to take an English exit exam, and you need to get a B2 or higher on the different areas. Okay, and I will teach you how to do that. All right. Okay. And next here. Okay, so the first class, how it's going to work. So the first class, it's going to be in person. Okay, so I want you guys to meet at the university. So it's going to be this Wednesday, June 10th, starting at 9 o'clock. So it's going to be in Building 11 on the 4th floor, room 407. Okay, so the first class, it's going to be in person. And if anybody cannot attend, so if you're in another country, please let me know. And then maybe what I can do is I can actually record a recorded lecture for you, and so then you can watch it later online. Okay. Okay. So the first class this Wednesday, it's going to be in person. We're going to meet at the university, but then every other class after that is going to be online. Okay. And so for this course, we're going to be using the LMS, and I hope everybody has gotten access to that by now. So I posted the course syllabus on there so far, and also the class schedule. So what we will be talking about each week. All right, and then also what I will be doing on LMS is I will be posting additional content week by week. So for example, I will be posting for this week, probably tomorrow on Sunday. I'm going to post some PowerPoints. This is going to help you to practice what we covered in class. Then also after the class, I'm also going to post the live stream lectures on there. Okay. So how this works is you guys are going to go to YouTube. All right. And then I'm going to have the live lecture there. And then what you guys do, you guys will log in. And then since this is writing, so I think YouTube is the perfect situation for that. And then what you're going to do is basically I'm going to have some exercises for you. And then what I want you to do, I want you to communicate with me via the YouTube chat box. Okay. And so that's how we'll be doing some different exercises, and if you guys have any questions, please ask them. Because for these online lectures, I want this to be as interactive as we can. Okay, so please, if you have any questions, post them during the lecture. If you have any comments, post them during the lecture. All right. Okay. So next here. Okay. So again, so the first class, it's going to be in person at the university in Building 11. Every class after that, it will be on my YouTube channel. I created a new YouTube channel for this summer. It's called Ajarn Eddie. So you can either go to YouTube, type in and search for Ajarn Eddie, or you can use this video link and then type this link in, and then what I want you to do is, so please subscribe to the channel, and because then that way, whenever I go live, you guys can join. Okay. All right. So please, before class on Wednesday, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. All right. Okay. And then here's some of my contact information. So my line, probably best for you guys, best way to contact me is with line. So this is my line ID, Edward_Bacon. My email, this is my university email. This is, I check this every day. So, yeah, but probably the best to contact me is line. I also have WeChat. This is my WeChat ID. But I'm only going to use WeChat for the students in China. So, but you can also contact me via WeChat as well. All right. And next here, so this is my. I know you have here. You look at here at my WeChat ID. It looks pretty difficult to remember. So you can use this QR code, scan that, and you can add me for on WeChat. And also, please, for the Len group, there was a Len group that was made. So please join this one as well, because this is going to be probably the best way for us to keep in contact with each other. So using this QR code. All right. And that is about it. Okay. So yeah, I'm looking forward to meeting everybody on Wednesday at the university, and then helping you guys, to develop your English writing skills this summer. All right. All right. That's about it, and I will see you on Wednesday.